Hi y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wyoming Blessed with Tish. If you haven't done so, thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and the notification bell next to it. So we're in Atlantic City, Wyoming. It's windy, y'all. Can't help it. Wind never stops blowing. We're outdoors. I'm sitting on my dad's porch. So you can see somebody traveling through with a horse trailer. Beautiful mountain. We will give you a scope here. Everything. Poncho. We got, now my subscriber Amanda, her son likes to eat these, so I thought let's try them. They look hot. You're gonna hear side by side ATVs. You can hear it all. Coda's getting ready to go fishing. Ooh. And girl, these are hot. I don't know how your little dude does it. You're gonna hear birds, a little bit of everything. The wind might get much. Can't help it. Ooh, Hoda. These are hot. Yeah. They're not quite fire nuclear, but they're close. No. Try and cover that so the wind's not blowing it so much. It's got a wind thing on it. My dad's dog's over here now. Yeah. You want to try it? It's spicy. There's Carlos.
Oh, nah.
It is too. I mean, it's not like as spicy as the fire nuclears, but it's not tiny spice. I'm trying to do some ASMR there. It's nice and cool up here. We're loving it. Because where we live, it is hot. We were like 88, 89 yesterday. And I was at work. Hopefully next video I'll have big news for you guys. I mean, they're not bad. I don't get a chicken flavor though. At all. Like with the fire nuclear, you get chicken. These I don't get chicken. At all. I came up here for Father's Day. I could have sworn I heard a cat meow. You never know. This isn't going to be a long mukbang. We're talking about fishing out of the pond here. If y'all ever are coming through Wyoming, come up here, try the Merc. They have good food. It's beautiful. See? My nose is kind of running though. This is called Hair by Wyoming. It does whatever. Poncho has had like severe anxiety. Even though he's been up here many, many times. Oh. Just move your head a little bit, moves it out of your face. Oh, we heard his dad move. He's obsessed with Carlos. So, yeah, this week's been crazy. Ooh, y'all. Crazy. I'm tired. I'm coming up here. I'm going to decompress. Enjoy some peace and quiet. Have some wine. Found that Stella Rose. That's the only wine I'll drink. And they have a new one called Black Cherry. So I brought it up here to try. Ooh. Like I said, they're not bad. I wish I had more of a chicken flavor. Like much more. Maybe add a little chicken bouillon to it. But if you like spice, it's got that. It's normally not this busy up here. It's non-stop today. My dad don't much care for it when it's like that. But anyways, y'all, it's just a quick little mukbang for you. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Got to see the lovely scenery. Sun's starting to come out really good. And I don't feel like being petrified. I have two shades. Really white and burnt. So, anyways, here they come. My dad hates this. Anyways, I hope you all... see? Of course. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you back here next week. And as always, stay warm and stay blessed. Bye, y'all.